everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A little bit different. So from time to time I do reviews, and so this is one of those things. Most people that know me know that I have a couple of filaments, maybe 3, that are my go-to filaments when I'm printing with FDM, and I pretty much stick to using those filaments. Well, this company, iwecolor, reached out to me. I had never even heard of them, and they said, hey, can we send you some filament and you try it out and tell us what you think of it. They sent me 2 regular PLA and then 1 dual color PLA, and you guys, I was absolutely astounded. The first time that I loaded it up on my machine, and what did I print first? I think I printed this axolotl first, and it just printed like butter. 205 and 60, 205 on the tip on the nozzle and 60 on the bed, and this thing came out not a single string, just printed like butter. And I thought, okay, so maybe it's just this color, so let's try out the yellow. So I started printing with the yellow, and it was the exact same thing. It was like beautiful color, cute models. I'll put links for all these models in the description. This is a zombie flexi for Halloween. You know, his little bones are sticking out, and he is also a phone holder. So don't have my phone with me right now, or I'd show you that. But yeah, cute little models, amazing filament. I mean, absolutely not a string, not a zit, not anything. So where has this company been all my life? It is now my new #1 favorite. The dual color, absolutely amazing. I printed this monster mug. I think it's called Munster mug in the links, but yeah, I'll link to that also. My husband drinks Monster every day of his life, so he needed a mug, and I thought this really cool green, I think it's called green yellow, but it looks more green gold to me. I'm just blown away at how every single thing that I have printed came off the bed. Just absolutely amazing. I will put some pictures in the end for you guys to see things up close. These are all printed at 0.2 layer height, so it wasn't like anything to make it look anything special, but he's got a little string on his foot, but I mean, I think that was probably where it laid the purge line. Supports came off great. I'm gonna go ahead and give Paul Feeney the credit for my support settings because they're amazing. But everything just printed so beautifully. So you guys really need to check out this company. It's called iwecolor. They did give me a discount code for you guys. If you order on Amazon and you're a Prime member, there is already a 35% off coupon. But when you check out, if you add the code 05JAMIWE, 05JAMIWE, you'll get an extra 5% off. So 40% off. 40% off is definitely worth trying this filament. I'm going to say absolutely one of the best that I have tested in a long time, and easily in my top 2 now. So that's it. This is going to be a short one. The next one will be a painting video, I promise you that. I know you guys have been waiting on those, but yeah, wow, I was astounded, and I'm so thankful to iwecolor for reaching out to me to test and try this, because wow, I love it. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe if you're not already, and you guys have an amazing day, and I'm out.